guys, welcome back to Kenssar's World. Today we're building Lego. So come along, let's build. Okay, so this is what I've got constructed so far. So I'm going to keep on working on it. Let's see. Ooh, a very big base plate. Okay guys, let's start building. So I got the base ready of my mansion.
I got the base ready.
Let's see which mansion will turn out better. Or which mansion wins. Let the competition begin. No, not the competition actually. Competition is not such a positive word. Let the creation begin.
Okay. Let's see. No.
This seems good. But I need another door or something.
No, we don't really need this.
Oh, I did a trick shot.
Let's see. I'm going to take my Lego build back here. Okay. And let's see.
Okay.
Ron, you gotta move. I'm moving the Lego. So now we can continue.
This way, guys, I'm gonna go somewhere.
Just me, yeah. Oh, she's back.
Okay. Ow! I'm winning.
I found one of my expensive shoes.
Nice.
Holy!
I think I found another one. Oh, another door. You can show me if I have this door.
No, I'm going to need that.
No, you like this.
Yes, I am.
I need it, really. You have to load it.
Okay. Now,
What are you gonna use that for?
the second floor.
You only need one floor though.
No, I don't. Let's see if I can find some good pieces. Let's see. Let's see if I can find some red pieces. Red.
Oh, found it.
Oh, you found another door, lucky. No, where's the red
Let's
piece?
try one, find another door, huh? I need this place plate. Ow.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Whoa, I'm definitely gonna need this.
Well, I'm definitely gonna need this. Oh, where did it go? I found the 2-piece. No, you can't do anything about it. Pick it up. Now, I basically need a 3-piece.
A 3. Yo, I got you.
I'm not falling for that. 1 piece! That was funny.
Hey, Raheth, can you tell me which months have 30 days?
30 days has September, April, June, and November.
Wow, can you say that again?
30 days has September, April, June, and November.
That's a nice song. Can you dance to that song?
30 days has September, April, June, and November.
Whoa. Dance again.
30 days has September, April, June, and November.
Nice.
And November. 30 days has September, April, June, and November.
Bingo. One last time.
30 days has September, April, June, and November.
Nice. Good job. So you know